how to buy a BOGDANOFF token. So this token came under the symbol of PUMPIT. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Checking them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on Pump Fund. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under this Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. This is it. And after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to read access to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from your customer because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Pump It token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.